A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Dear students of 12th class subject Botany, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear students, we are studying the special modes of reproduction, and the special modes of reproduction is the Apomixis. And dear students, we have started this topic yesterday in our lecture, and we have defined the Apomixis, and then we come to know that this Apomixis have been categorized into two parts or two types. One is the agamospermy, and the other is the vegetative reproduction. And after that, we have defined the agamospermy also, and we have seen that this agamospermy has three types. One is the adventive embryony, second is the recurrent apomixis or diplospory, and third is the non-recurrent apomixis. Now, coming towards our today's topic, you have seen that we have defined apomixis, we have then defined the agamospory, then the three types of agamospory. First is the adventive embryony that we have discussed in our previous lecture. Now, today we will discuss the second type of this agamospory, that is the recurrent apomixis or diplospory. So what is this recurrent apomixis or diplospory? We will see here. So we will start the recurrent apomixis or diplospory. This recurrent apomixis or diplospory can be defined as a diploid embryo sac is formed from a diploid megaspore mother cell or oosphere without a regular meiosis. It means that a recurrent apomixis can be defined, or can be defined as when a diploid embryo sac. You should remember here that when a diploid embryo sac is formed from a diploid megaspore mother cell or oosphere without a regular meiosis, it is called a recurrent apomixis. So when a diploid embryo sac is formed from a diploid megaspore mother cell without a regular meiosis, it is called recurrent apomixis or diplospory. The diploid egg grows directly into diploid embryo. Here, the diploid egg grows directly into diploid embryo. The example of this recurrent apomixis can be seen in allium sipa. यह इस कश्मीरी में गंड वनाश गंड allium, ALLIUM, allium. Now the third type of agamospory, agamospormy, is the non-recurrent apomixis. This non-recurrent apomixis can be defined as it is the development of embryo from haploid female gamete without fertilization. Non-recurrent apomixis is the development of embryo from haploid female gamete without fertilization. The plants produced by this method are haploid and generally sterile. The plants produced by this non-recurrent apomixis are haploid and generally sterile. Examples are Solanum nigrum and Nicotiana tabacum. Solanum nigrum and Nicotiana tabacum, etc. Now we will come to know the second type of apomixis, that is the vegetative reproduction. So what is this vegetative reproduction? In the vegetative reproduction, or in this type of apomixis, the new individuals arise from a group of undifferentiated or differentiated cells, where neither embryo nor seeds are produced. So what is this vegetative reproduction? This vegetative reproduction is the mode of apomixis in which the new individuals arise from a group of undifferentiated or differentiated cells where neither embryo nor seeds are produced. This type of reproduction occurs by bulbs, bulbils, tubers, runners, and suckers, etc. This vegetative reproduction, or this type of mode of reproduction, occurs by bulbs, bulbils, tubers, runners, and suckers, etc. Such propagules such propagules are formed by the sporophyte only. Such propagules are formed by the sporophyte only. So this was all about the special modes of reproduction, or the apomixis. So we have completed this apomixis in our today's lecture. So now we will move towards the other questions of this unit tomorrow, inshallah. Till date, stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much.